Come on, 93V. Yes, sir.
I know we're going down, man. 93V, SSG, y'all tune in, log in, all that.
Yes, sir.
I sold this bitch. I sold 93V, bought my box.
I got a new box, man. I got a new. We're going to have to figure out a different way with this one. So we can come over here with it. Kevin! Kevin!
You want to stop?
Nah, you good. Hey, it's good to hook it up right here? You can hook it up here? Yeah.
Right next to the battery. Right here, look.
Good spot.
Yeah. Smells like you.
Hold on. Put it right here, look.
Right there in the front.
Right here in the front. Is it low? No, hold on. Let me see. And transmission, nigga, not just the motor.
What?
You taking both of them hoes.
Oh, you run this bitch with that motor, that transmission, huh?
No, I just fucking with that shit. Taking both of that shit. I don't want none of that shit.
Hey, y'all know what's going down. This bitch tight. Oh, that's it. God damn, this bitch doing the hardest shit. I don't know, boy. I'm scared to be on the side. That bitch gonna. Hey, I'm gonna drive it off the trailer, man. Let's go. Alright, gang, so this is the 305 that's in it. Old school, original 305 motor. It could have probably been swapped, because you never know, man. But we're gonna go and pull this motor out. Like I said, we're gonna do an engine bay clean. Just clean it up. You know what I'm saying? Get it right. Maybe clean the top of the hood, because the hood needs that. See all these wires? We're gonna get rid of all these wires. We're only keeping what we need. It's a few wires on here we know we need, like the wire that's going to the car, the positive wire like that. The battery. The battery wires, we ain't gonna need them because the LS swap harness, you gotta go and get the right shit with the motor, so we ain't gonna need that. I'm thinking this thing got an original brass radiator. Damn sure gonna have to change that out. You don't wanna run that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Can't run that. So with that being said, gang, finna start busting this down. Like I say, I'm gonna put y'all boys on the time lapse. And y'all just rock out with me, man. We're gonna start pulling this thing apart piece by piece. Drain all the fluids. We're gonna get everything off. Like I say, we're stripping it down, baby. Alright, gang, so y'all already know what it is. Got the land out box Chevy from the budget. Finna go to bust this baby down. I already been through the airfield off and explain everything and what it is, Over that time lapse. Y'all just stay tuned.
It's on. You want it on center mode?
So, alright, what's up, gang, man? It's your boy. Y'all already know what it is. I got the motor sitting up. I just had to wait till I got it up in this position. That way I can get at these power steering hoses. Once I done putting this last power steering hose, this motor gonna come out. Y'all see the sun went down on me. This is the best time to work, gang. The sun down, it's cool. I still got the fan blowing nice and polite in the background. Yep, just pull that hose. Now this motor can come on out. I'm gonna let it finish draining real quick. Got the transfer draining. That motor puller coming in so much handy, gang. Shot on the time lapse as I pull this out. Hopefully I don't gotta pull this hood off. I might end up having to pull this hood off though. We're gonna see. Alright, gang, we got the motor out. Still got our good power steering lines. These power steering lines really good. I still got the wire harness because there's a couple things in the wire harness I'm gonna need to do. The motor was oily. We're gonna scrub this engine bay and get this engine bay perfect clean. We're gonna do all that, man. I cut the exhaust back. We getting fresh headers. Really already got fresh headers up there. Clean up these wires, man, like I said. Freshen this up, scrape it down, spray it real good. You know, it's a nice engine bay clean. Motor and transmission is out. We're going LS, new heater coil, new radiator, new motor mounts. Everything gonna be right. Clean this baby up, man. So that's a wrap on this video. Y'all stay tuned for the next one. Y'all know we staying hands-on, we staying active. Y'all see it posted on the Wild 90 Street View, man. The Turbo Killer, the GTO Killer, man. It's up, it's stuck. Yiggity, yiggity, yow.